Your quality checks are not on point, you are in the right place. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are ready to put down that broom and boss up, then I am your cleaning business bestie, Felicia, and I'm going to show you just how to do that. Today, I'm really excited about what we're going to be talking about because we're going to be talking about quality checks and specifically how to conduct a quality check after every job. So if you want fewer complaints, if you want more 5-star reviews, then quality checks are truly your secret weapon. So at McMaid's Academy, I truly believe that great work must be verified. So let's walk through how to perform quality checks that actually work. So the first thing is you want to use a 5-point checklist. So anytime that you're doing a quality check, have your checklist there and make sure that you do a run through of your checklist as you are looking into what's going on the property, whether it's commercial or it's residential. You want to check for all of the overlooked small details, right? So any streaks, any crumbs, any of the overlooked details you want to check for. You also want to review our rooms before leaving. So don't just kind of walk through and peruse, like, no, do a deep dive and make sure that you review all of the rooms before actually leaving. You want to take 2 to 3 photos for documentation, and then you want to leave a thank you card. Thank you cards really show that very detailed level of approach. It shows that you also really care about the client and want to leave that kind of lasting impression. So thank you cards are great, especially if they're branded. So in summary, quality checks create pride, consistency, and ultimately loyal clients. So if you need to have some assistance with setting up quality checks or really understanding in more detail how to create or complete quality checks, I would love to work with you one-on-one. I will leave the link to my one-on-one sessions below, and you can definitely book a one-on-one session. Especially if you are a cleaning business owner, I think it will definitely help you along your journey. Thank you so much for joining me today for this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one.